Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to pin Deepl to your taskbar on Mac. Now I'm using Windows to show you this application, but this should be applied to Mac as well. First of all, you need to install the application since pin it to the menu bar should be related to the app, not the web browser app, not the extension. So make sure to go to deepl.com and install the application, and this should give you this file. Let's go with installation process. Click on next, 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 and let it install. And once it is done, they should give you this successfully installed page. That means that the actual application has been installed correctly. Now, what you should do next, simply just go ahead. Let me just open it from here. So simply just go ahead and try to search for the application. So I'm gonna open my Windows here, for example, and here it's gonna be right over here. So what you should do is to simply just move and drag the icon of the application to your main menu, as you can see here. So now as I have moved it, now I don't really need to search for it anymore. It's gonna be always here. So whenever I want the application to be running, I'm simply gonna go and open it by clicking on it, as you will be seeing. And this should give me a shortcut for it. So I don't no longer need it to be, for example, hidden somewhere. And once I close it, I can simply just choose to run it in background. And this will mean that the application is here, as you can see. So if I click in here and selected the text, they will pop up the icon so you can translate it. Or I can use the shortcuts of the Deepl, like Controls double C, or basically for the Mac users, Command double C to help you translate any text automatically. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.